man and a woman, both in their early 20s, died after a speeding Porsche car hit their motorcycle on Saturday evening in Pune. The car was allegedly being driven by a 17-year-old who is the son of a renowned builder in the city. The minor and his two friends who were in the car at the time of the accident were taken into police custody. Within 14 hours of his detention, the 17-year-old accused was granted bail by a juvenile court, subject to certain conditions. While details of the bail hearing were not made public, police officials say the court found the crime not serious enough to deny him bail. According to the juvenile court's order, which came within 14 hours of the minor's detention, the following conditions were imposed on his release. 1. The accused was asked to submit a 300-word essay on the topic effect of road accident and their solution. 2. Parents of the accused were asked to ensure that he does not repeat the same offense. 3. Parents of the accused were directed to keep the accused away from bad company. 4. The accused was ordered to study the traffic rules and submit a report within 15 days. 5. The court also directed mandatory counseling for the accused. 6. The parents were asked to ensure his presence before the Juvenile Justice Board for the proceedings. The teenager, who is the son of a well-known builder, reportedly rammed the Porsche he was driving into a motorcycle carrying Anish Dudia and Ashwini Costa. According to the police FIR, Costa died on the spot while Dudia succumbed to his injuries later. The incident took place in Pune's Koregaon Park when a group of friends were returning home on their motorcycles after a party at a pub in Kalyani Nagar. When they arrived at the Kalyani Nagar junction, the minor driving the Porsche hit one of the motorcycles, following which the two riders were flung from their vehicle and died on the spot, according to the FIR. After knocking down the couple, the car crashed into the roadside pavement and railings, the FIR said. A video surfaced online showing the teenager being thrashed by a crowd at the accident scene. An eyewitness told India Today that there were 3 people in the Porsche, but one of them fled the scene after the collision. All 3 occupants of the car were drunk, the eyewitnesses claimed. The Yerwada police station has registered a case against the driver under relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Motor Vehicles Act, including rash driving and causing death by negligence. The Commissioner of Police in Pune has confirmed that a case will be registered against the minor's father, along with the owner of the bar that served him alcohol and the car dealer that sold the car without a license plate. The police has also confirmed that they will be challenging the bail granted to the accused in the case before the Sessions Court in Pune.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.